Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check watch time in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click Analytics in the left sidebar to open your channel analytics page. The Analytics dashboard loads, showing your key metrics across the top. Watch time is measured in hours and shows total viewing time. The watch time card displays your current hours for the selected period. Hover over any point on the graph to see exact watch time for that day. The tooltip shows watch time hours for that date. The graph shows your watch time trend across the selected range. Watch time resets to 0 at the start of each period you're viewing, so if you're checking your progress towards monetization requirements, make sure you're looking at the last 12 months rather than a shorter period. The 4,000-hour threshold for the YouTube Partner Program is calculated as a rolling total, not a calendar year. If your watch time seems lower than expected, check that you're viewing all content types rather than just uploads. Live streams and shorts count separately, but contribute to your total. You can also break down watch time by individual video in the Content tab to see which videos are driving the most viewing hours. And that's how to check your watch time in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.